Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the men's cologne Versace Eros Eau de Toilette spray for men, 3.4 ounces. I bought this for my husband. A little bit about the fragrance. Eros is a fragrance that interprets the sublime masculinity through a luminous aura of intense, vibrant, and glowing freshness. It's a lovely scent. Eros is the fragrance that interprets sublime masculinity through a luminous aura of intense, vibrant, and glowing freshness, obtained from the combination of mint leaves, Italian lemon zest, and green apple. An addictive sensuality delivered by oriental, intriguing, and enveloping notes like tonka beans, amber, geranium flower, and vanilla. A racy virility symbolized by woods such as cedar wood from Atlas in Virginia, vetiver, and oak moss, providing intensity and power. And like I said, this is the 3.4 fluid ounce, a pretty good size. It's about the size of my hand. It's in a nice, beautiful bottle with the Versace symbols on them. And just a spray. I'm going to spray it at the camera. I smell it myself. It smells absolutely heavenly. And it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, my husband wears this mostly to go to work. Bought it for him as a gift. Sometimes it's more of a nighttime scent than a daytime scent, but he will wear this occasionally to work. It's got this lovely blue bottle. Glass. Very nice. And like I said, I really enjoy it on my husband. Actually, I wouldn't mind wearing it myself. I think it's kind of fun to wear a cologne sometimes, not always a perfume. But the Versace Eros, great smelling cologne. We just recently took a trip to Vegas, and this was the sole cologne he brought with him, which was really nice. So he smelled like this the whole trip. And I think he's got used about an eighth of it. And it's good size. Not super expensive. Really nice smelling. I absolutely love the notes of lemon zest and citrus. Is for aromatherapy is relaxing, so that's something to keep in mind. This is a nice relaxing scent, which I also think lends it well to an evening scent. So yeah, the Versace Eros, take it on a trip. Not exactly something you can fit in a carry-on bag. It's more fluid ounces than they would allow on a plane. So you'd have to put it in your suitcase. That would be a checked bag. Thankfully, we drove to Las Vegas, so we didn't have any checked bags. We didn't have to fly. So, yeah, definitely not for your carry-on. But received a sample of this, I think with my Macy's catalog, and tried it on my husband. It just fit really well with his body chemistry, and it smelled really great. So I say check it out. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. I'm fully happy with this. It's about 5 inches by 7 inches by 9 inches? I don't know if that's true. But it's about 1 pound. And like I said, really good thick nice glass. But like I said, don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. Oh, see, it's got that cool Medusa head on the top there of the bottle. And this is sprayer, which is faced towards the back. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Beautiful blue glass, wonderful smell, 5 out of 5 stars. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and check it out. Thanks so much.